Okay. Kantahan natin guys ngayong hapon kasi napakainit ng panahon and nandito lang ako sa bahay po ng tita ko. And thank you to the Moreno family for their very nice and warm accommodation. Open the door, I'm coming. I'm so glad to see you, my friend. Don't know how long it has been having just feelings again. And now I see that you're so happy. And it just sets me free. And I like to see as a scared of friends as we used to be young, my love.